Got my heart almost sink when I realized that they are deciding Guti, another one follows the girl, another one follows Linda. And I was like, oh my God, Mdala is the one that is following Linda, and it means Gupelile ngawe Lindo. But the sister came to the party. So what happened was that Blessed asked for, in fact, she walked up into Dalla's room and then said that she wanted to see the kids because the kids have lost something. Besebatigena, no, you are not allowed to go in because the kids are still sleeping. Then she says, oh, okay, no, but I did not want to wake them up. I was just saying, hello, bona, and that's it. They were like, no. I said, okay, fine. Pata ashuya yehlage manje. And then she goes to Tintualo and said, listen, can I leave early? And then Tintualo was trying to have the ish ha ha who. Then now Mr. Sindani comes through and said, okay, no, fine. What's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong. You can allow her to go. But then now I realized that he wanted to follow her. Then he called Utepsi to say, let's go followed them, and then realized Uguti, lo girl, baby girl, oh, blessed. She is meeting up with somebody who is Linda but disguised as a girl. Okay, then now Mdala says, okay, Muto hasi Linda, hey, it's somebody else. Then we want to find out who is this person, because we thought that the informer was Linda, but this person is not Linda. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Scandal Di Madekwana, Sanbanan Afshen Molweni Minjani, Yipukele Hingangwina. So Namutla Kana kwa hina wa Scandal Kumakurusla Sansekangi Kahle, looking at the fact that Gushubile guys, Ulinda ufollowa Humdala. But now the sister Usisiga Linda says, you know what, get a tempeni and then I will give you directions thereafter. And then so that you angazi mhlawumbe ufuna ukumthatha disguise, I don't know, angazi, yes angazi, but umdala uyamlandelela, and I wonder how this is gonna end, because nje kahle kahle umdala ufuna ukuthi uqhuma inhlamvu ingene nje ekhanda lomuntu, angazi at this point in time ngithukile. But again, anyway, Utepsi is following Blessed. On the other news, kono omiti lo omiti wabhala ubaba wakhe incwadi umtshela ukuthi omiti, and then she just kept it at that. She is nervous. The father has not said anything with the pressure yokuthi ubaba wakhe uthulile akasho lutho. Then she's lashing on Mavutela, and then Mavutela was not really happy with that. But then she then decided that she was going to apologize to Mavutela, and then she said, you know what, I'm just going through a lot at this point in time. Ngicabanga i-abortion, ngicabanga yonke into, ubaba uthulile akakhulumi lutho. That is so nerve-wracking. I don't even know what to do hereafter, because mathule kanje angazi ukuthi kuzenzakalani. And worst of all, hakisofetile degree yaka, so ngase khona ukudlulisa ngwana ke le ngwana. I'm just sitting here looking back on the things that I've done on that weekend, and I regret gore nkabe ke sa ira byao, but here I am. I don't know what to do next. Speaking of not knowing what to do next, Hokari Lisuana le upapa kapoko uchauke. Mr. Chauke itile aku yena ilava ku hakela mali ya poko ya ti damage, because kwakwani wa yena bate anga hakelangi ti damage, so he does not have a right to see n'wana. So swi vula ku ifaneke iteta hakela ti damage. And then on the other hand, Poko is a bit worried, what if this guy comes, I love him, accept him, and then he leaves me like the same way he left me previously. And then the wife says, you know what, you can never know about that, but that just allow yourself to be loved if he wants to love you, and then you'll take it from there. You never know what's going to happen. Maybe he can be a very good guy or a nice guy, so just take it from there. Now Poko sayakhuluma noma wakhe yamtshela ukuthi lalela ubaba wakho uthi ufuna ukubhadala ama-damage and he wants to do it soon, but the question is Mathobela is not interested and she does not want that to happen. So Poko is a bit worried, how is it going to happen? But tatane Chauke bala ku hakela, so I think ukore ugogo ka Poko, is she going to accept ama damages? Because nje even the attitude towards him nje, it just went sour. So asazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next one.